Okay, this is second game between the Janas Gourmet versus the Tokens. Bakbakan na guys. First round elimination.
Okay, ID1 versus ID2 combination po tayo yun.
Grabe, ganang laban to.
Let's go! Jabon po tayo yun ha, jabon tayo yun.
Domdom versus De La Cruz.
Pops up, go, it's
Batiking.
Batiking, pops up, and Bear Iron De La Cruz.
Ay, wala. May natividad.
Binababa ang natividad. Binababa ang bola. Wala kasasahan. Binababa ang bola. Batiking, Lorena, Batiking again, Batiking for 3. Go. Aaron De La Cruz pops up, 2 points, Aaron. Aaron De La Cruz, 2 points. That power forward for the Swiss power forward. Oh, good ball. ID2, pinapaba ang bola. To primary for 3. Malakas. Rebound battle 1 by ID1. Against Puso Leon. Lorena pops up, 2 points.
Wins by Mac Lorena.
The score is 4-0 already. Dom, Brian Roy, trying to step back, Nobis Dom. Nice one!
Ay!
De La Cruz. Batikin. Ay, oy! Pops up, Acuña, no good. Rebound, Benatividad. Natividad, pinapababo ng Natividad. 6 seconds away. Natividad, 2 points. Natividad, 2 points. 2-4 po tayo. Keep the kicks and, of course, leading it behind over Mr. Janas Gourmet. Pops up, ID1, no good. Binato. Nice. ID1 versus ID2. For all. No. Lorena, rebound. Traveling cold. First quarter action. Brian Roy taking 3. Ayaw. Kick pass kay Natividad. 2 points. 2 points Natividad. 4-6 ang score po natin yun. It's 4-6. ID1 for 3. Wala. Sige, Pinato. Brian Roy. Natividad. 2 points. All 6. 6 minutes 46 remaining.
Good luck tayo. 6 minutes and the first quarter.
Lorena.
Jumper, wala.
Batikin. No good.
Hoy, in and out.
ID2. Ayaw. Pops up. Bang! Okay, don't look now.
Wins
Please
by Brian Roy.
TikTok kicks wrestling over Janas Gourmet. Janas Gourmet pops up. Oh! Batingin for the rebound. Batingin. Aaron De La Cruz. Again, pops up, patigin. No good. Rebound, RD2. Natividad.
Ay, sayang.
Dom. Power move. Natividad. RD2. Practice number 3. Bang!
RD2.
Well, 8 points score po natin. Left standby po tayo po sa second lineup po ng both teams. Rojas, rebound, 2 on natin, 1. Ridoy, 2 points. Palit po tayo. Hans Cañedo, Fajardo, and company po.
Oh, score natin guys, 14 against 8
Big pass.
in favor of the
Velasco.
Yellow and black.
Side step move. No good. Rebound. Pinapatagpuan. Wala pa rin. Nice. Rebound. Ulip. Pinasa muna. Okay. Para sa Kala. To Big Mac. And to Ulip again. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Sam para sa Kala. Short step. No good. Oop. Hindi pwede yun. Violation yun. Number 9, binisplit. Wala. Stop para sa Kala. Kick pass ulit. Mas kanito bola. Ginagawa bola. 8-14 score on Hans. Offensive foul called on Hans. Sam para sa Kala. Binababa ang bola. Sam. Lapus. Ulit. Sam. Para sa Kala. Sibang ato na Jovic. Look. It's now Hans Cañedo. Hans, 2 points line. Banging bodies with the wall.
10 against 14 ang ating score, 3 minutes and 25.
10-14. Bang, Big Mac, si Big Mac.
Lamang pa rin ang team Tip Topics. Ayan, pinalim. Kiwi. Up. Ay, Kimi. Kimi pala, sorry. Kimi.
16-10. 3 minutes remaining. First quarter about to go. Fajardo.
Listen, drive.
What? Nice by Kalisin. Sam para sa Kala.
12-16 at the score.
Ubus si Big Mac. Lapos.
Jumper.
George Velasco. Binabawan. Velasco.
Listen.
Palpal.
Ay, back to back.
Nice one.
14-16 ang ating score.
14-16 score po yun.
2 minutes and 30.
Line up, imposed na by Oryx.
Kimi.
18-14, Kimi, pasok.
Hard.
Up, foul, down. Fajardo. Kalisin. Oy! Traveling forward. Makatungga, pinasakit para sa Kalang bola. Sam para sa Kala. Sam para sa Kala. Sam para sa Ulip. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Foul. Tapos. Sam. Okay, don't look now. Slowly but surely. TikTok keeps pulling away.
21-14.
Janos Gourmet.
Favor of Tip Topics.
Against Time.
Velasco. Oops. Oy, grabe. Lakas.
Velasco against Time. Para sa Kala.
Yan na naman. Ole for Chris. Ay! Grabe. Back to back Chris by Olip. 24-16.
Kalisin. Double team. May Ulip. Pato.
Ay, malakas.
Big Mac. Sam para sa Kala. Against Kalisin. Nakalusot. Sinundan pa rin Kalisin. Against Sam para sa Kala. Matinding depensa. Ginagawa ko. Nakunsig. Sam para sa Kala. Para sa Kala. Pagpag!
Oy! Grabe.
Hindi machine.
Bago ba?
Pagkaga, Lapus. Lapus. Gimit. Rebound. Kay Velasco. Velasco. Wala pinasahan si Velasco.
Sampai sakala.
Tampang sakala. Uy! Nawala. And 2 points.
Easy basket.
Si basket by Calixto. 24. Again.
Yan, naras na sila.
Ulit.
Oras na.
Against Fajardo. Ulit.
Grabe. Oh! Foul.
Wala pinasahan. Kick pass. Alisin again.
Alisin again. Back to back. Back to back. 4 points lead. Ang team Tip Topics. Maganda yung timeout nila.
Greg Pinapos. Si Pesarino nandiyan po para sa kanyang sa General Ramos. Ready? Si number 14 si Umali, tigit yung ayos. Umali. 20-26. Manuesa, tigit yung ayaw. Patingin for 3. Hoy! Pass. Perez, rebound. Perez, out. RD1. RD2 rather. RD2. Perez. Perez to RD2. Umali naman. Umali. Stole the ball.
Still by Pesarello. De La Cruz up. Ay!
Wow. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready for Greg De La Cruz. Greg De La Cruz, second throw po. Jumpers ready po tayo para kay Mr. Greg De La Cruz. Pops up. Pasok. Basket play. 21-26. 8 minutes 59 remaining. Pira driving home. 92 against Batigin. ID2 versus Batigin. Pira. Pops up. Foul! 6:21 na po na 5 ang Tito Kicks. Pira. Pops up. Out. Pira, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pira, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Greg. Patigin. Hoy! Down. Power forward dito ngayon. And of course, Patigin for new count. 8 minutes and 7 remaining. 21 minutes. Score po natin yun. Pesarillo. Meron Greg De La Cruz. 2 points din.
Si Greg ah.
When I see Greg De La Cruz, I remember Kenny McVay. Sa totoo lang. Greg De La Cruz. Pira.
Pesarello for 3. Wala.
Rebound. Again, Dr.
Ay!
Oh! Umani for 3. No. Rebound. Pinasa. Patigin.
Ay!
Umali. Umali kay Beluesa.
4 seconds.
Umali, first shot.
First shot.
Pasok.
Umali.
27-23.
Umali, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. This is your PSBQ basketball. Welcome po rin po sa second game for tonight. Basketball po tayo.
23-28.
23-28.
Win the ball by Nakiki.
Pops up. No, palakas. Oy! Black ball.
Victory score.
Okay. Perez, ginagawa ang bola. Tira. 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 Pops up. No. Rebound. Yes.
There's a problem. That means I want
Team Tito Kicks 103.
Cesarino.
Cesarino. Closer shot. Tira. 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 Ginagawa ang bola. Nice. Cesarino. Cesarino.
Ay, sayang.
Pasal! Baluesa! Baluesa! Wala!
Ay! Nako.
Aaron Drums Rider. Chance now to tie the ball game. Pops up. It's in. Tabla na naman tayo. 28.
Win the ball by
Okay,
Manu.
we just go back. 28. Sorry.
Deadlock, 28.
Ang tira na ang balon. Hoy! Perez!
30. 30-28 ang ating score in favor of team Tipto Kicks. Lamang pa rin ang Tipto Kicks. Hindi pa rin makalamang ang team Janas Gourmet. De La Cruz.
No,
Ay,
ayaw.
wala.
Ball by Cesarino.
Cesarino. Greg de la Cruz.
Ay!
First of all, Mr. Perez. First shot ni Greg. Pops up.
First throw by Cruz.
Second throw ni Papa Greg. Second throw ni Mr. Greg de la
Second throw
Cruz.
by Cruz.
Second free throw. Greg de la Cruz pops up. It's in.
Basket by Cruz. 1 point lead for Victor Kicks. Win the ball by Manu.
Oy! Foul on Batikin.
There's no by Manu.
Pops up. Pasok.
Basket.
Umali second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay. Out of bounds. Balik loob. Both shots are also up in their feet already.
Pass to De La Cruz.
Ginagos running shot. 2 points.
Basket by De La Cruz.
31 all.
Win the ball by RAQ.
Both teams ayaw magpalagwa sa isa't isa. Duran. Out of bounds. Green ball.
Trace Perez.
Score natin 31. Oy, deadlock tayo 31.
James Cortez.
Okay.
Win the ball by Manu.
31 all po tayo. 5 minutes remaining. Pops up. Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayun. Walang kinasahan.
Win the ball.
Okay, sa second quarter na ito guys. Deadlock tayo 31. Grabe ka ng laban. Dom-dom, wala.
Green ball.
Lakas ball.
Bardo. Nakalusot. Foul.
First throw by Fajardo.
Bardo first shot. Wala.
Second throw by
Pops
Fajardo.
up. Wala pa rin.
The ball by
Rojas. Rojas.
Thomas.
Rojas. Rojas. Baka makatunggal, Big Mac. Nice
Side
steal.
41.
Third turnover pa rin po tayo. Side 1, against Rojas. Side 1, Paco against Rojas. Side 1, taking 3.
RD1.
Wala. Rebound.
Ball by
Kalisin.
Kalisin. Kalisin.
It's driving.
Uy!
It's
Ganda.
driving.
Oh! Kebidan.
Giannis going now. Lamang na po ng dalawang muli.
Brian Oy. Brian Oy. Jumper pag miss. Wala.
Velasco, nakaribang.
Down by Velasco. RD1. Toremia.
Torreña.
Uy, lamang na ang team, ano pala? Team Janas.
Kalisin.
Kalisin for 3. Beyond the arc.
3 points.
36-31. Oy, team's favor na tayo guys.
Lamang po na 5 ulit po ang Giannis.
Lamang na ang team.
Ito naman, Rojas.
Giannis on the
Big
dark green jersey. Domdom. Makatunggal.
No!
Ball may Domdom uli. Ay, wala pa rin.
Rojas! Pato! Bahado!
Ah, grabe.
Rojas for 3. Bang!
Ah, grabe. Bawi. 34-38.
Captain Lionheart. 6 and 3. Kalisin for 3.
Kalisin uli. Ay, wala. Oh, one by Velasco.
ID1 against Brian Roy. Pops up. Wala. Lorena. Big Mac. Nice di ba Big Mac? ID1. Pops up. Bang! 34-41. Lamang na naman ng ito. Ang team Giannis Grenade. Domdom, Kapsa. Wala, Anawan, Domdom. Foul on Velasco. Domdom. Domdom, first shot. Pasok. Metro man Domdom, sinks the first free throw. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Domdom, second throw, jumpers ready. 41-35, pops up. Pasok pareho.
31 seconds.
ID1 against Brian Roy. ID1. ID1.
Grabe. Grabe ah.
Same ball.
Teras.
Rojas for 3 again. Ibang Pinapon. Kalisin. Kalisin.
Two points by Kalisan.
Brian Ross again. Rojas. Rojas pusong liog. Intercepted. Intercepted again.
Natignan. Ay, malakas.
Tunggal. First shot. No good. Brian Roy for the second free throw. Pasok. Okay, pag Big Mac makatunggal. Mr. Makatunggal, si Big Mac. Big Mac for the final three, for the last free throw. Pops up. It is. 13 points. Kalisin. Brian Roy. Kalisin. Nakalusot. Kalisin. Lorena. Anis Makatunggal. Velasco pops up. 2 points. Big Mac.
Rojas withdraw. 30 seconds.
Big man for 3. Damn!
41-47.
Nabubuhay na naman
Lamang pa rin ang Team Giannas.
Nice team by Domdom. Lorena nakalusot. Lorena, palpal. This is for the placing
There's no one
match
left.
between Team Kicks and, of course, ang Giannas Gourmet. Lorena, second
Throw
throw.
by Lorena.
Pops up. Pasok.
Pass to the left. 9 seconds.
9 seconds remaining. Natividad.
Natividad.
Again, palpal.
Second quarter score 49-41 in favor of Team Giannas Gourmet.
Patigil. Pinsarino. Pinsarino.
Porto lamang po ng siyam ang Team Giannas. Ay, over Team Kicks. Single. Sabi referee, single daw po. Single. Sumali. 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 Wala. Pagin.
There's a ball.
Take two.
Let's go on.
Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Umali pwede yung shot. Oh, what is by Lapus? For naman ang labing sa ang team Giannas Gourmet. Over Team Kicks.
Tabing isa na, 54-43. Ay, malakas.
Pag-game. Pag-game para sa kalat. Pag-game ko. Umali, umali, umali. Lapos. Wala. Ayun ba siya?
Score 45-54 in favor of Jonas Gourmet.
Umali 2 points. Dito po
47-54.
7 dito po tayo.
6 minutes remaining. And ang ating third quarter.
Umapil si Ere, foul. Ito naman si Acuna at si Aaron De La Cruz. First shot, Batigin, pasok. Second throw ni Batigin, Choppers ready na tayo. Batigin, second throw, Choppers ready, pops up. Wala. Lapos,
Tapos lupa sa kanan.
Santar sa kala. Ginamaba ang bola.
Umali.
Umali. Lumusok.
Wadalut.
Malakas. Galang. Galang.
Paksimasin.
Batigin. Batigin. Batigin.
30.
Binababo na. Break na Cruz. Pasok sa bola. Ulit.
57-47. 10. 5 minutes remaining. 10 ang lamang ng team Jonas Gourmet.
Go.
Ball by Batikin.
Good ball. Nice one. Tapos 2 points. An 8 points posted.
57-49.
Charles Gomez. Batigin.
14. 10 to shoot.
Wow.
There's a foul. Which is score 49-57.
De La
First
Cruz.
foul by De La Cruz.
Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumper ready. An 8-point lead have been posted.
Greg De La Cruz.
A 9-point lead have been posted.
Basket
Okay.
again. Substitution.
10 ang lamang. 10 pa rin. 49-59. 4 minutes and 18 and the third quarters. Lamang pa rin ang the dark green.
Stepping on the line. That's
Stepping on the-
Kalisin.
Kalisin, binabang bola. Kalisin. Pops up. There! 4:92.
61-49 ang score. 3 minutes and 53.
Rojas, rebound. Rojas.
Big foul. Sa pudo naman ang labanan ng Jonas Gourmet. Oy! Miscommunication. Ulit, pinababa ang bola. Ulit. Rojas.
Grabe, last ko ah.
Last score no good. Patikin. Down. Ulit. Rojas. Rojas. Ulit. Yan.
Ulit for
Walo.
Long 2. 53-61.
Alisin again. Velasco in line. No good. Intercepted. Late remaining.
Rojas. 32.
Rojas! Out! Or Mr. Rising, Captain Lionheart, pusong Leon.
First shot, no good.
First shot ni Rojas, no good. Second throw, jump is ready. Just to trim the lead down to 7 points.
Second throw by the red Rojas.
Okay, green ball.
Got a score. Sama to Canedo.
Hans Canedo, binababa ang bola. Hans, again, Canedo. Up, down.
On is number 1, running for penalty. Alisin again. And to shoot.
Kalisin. Kalisin. Nice block. One more time. Up. Five goal.
Ba't nalobat?
Serve by Alisin.
Naka-charge naman ah.
Di naka-charge. Yung battery, walang respond.
Ay po.
Basket grab by Alisin. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Basket again. 10 points lead for Dallas Speed. Oliver Rojas winning the ball. And to shoot.
Son.
First goal of the last one. Basket.
Second shot. Velasco. Pasok. Pasok. Yes. Again. Canedo.
And to shoot. Seven. 2 points.
Grabe, samad.
Brinoy. 2 points.
Round 2.
Finish up.
Give the ball by RD1. To Alisin. And to shoot. Now by Rojas. Basket to
Grabe, ulit pa. Wins. 58-66. And the third quarter score 58-66 in favor of Team Jonas Gourmet.
Also here, binababa ang bola.
Okay, this is the final quarters. 66, 58 natin score. Rojas, jumper wala. Buha pa rin. Rojas ulit. Ay, basket. 60, anim lang. 66.
9 minutes 40 remaining. Patikin. Kalisin again. Patikin. Three. Balik ko rin siya.
69, grabe.
Perez. Again, Fajardo. Papa na three.
Oy! Grabe.
Pasensya na po mga boss ha. Comment na po dyan po. Naputol po yung ating live stream po kanina. Dalig ka, alipin comment na lang. Bumigay na. Pasensya na lang po. Hoy!
Kalisin,
Kalisin, setting up the pace. Kalisin.
32.
Kalisin. Against Perez. Kalisin. Iwan na bola. Pusong yun. Nakibigad. Isang samar papasok muna sa Aaron de la Cruz para sa mga team mga pangbanggayan. Ayan na si Demolition Man de la Cruz. Nakibigad. Pinasok na. Ayan na si Aaron, the Demolition Man de la Cruz. Patikin against Barnoy. Patikin. Nakalusot. 2 points. Kalisin. Kalisin. Touch pass. Kalisin. 2 points.
Nagbibigan, taas na taas. Gula ko ang Rojas.
Rojas. Again.
13.
Rojas for 3.
Rojas.
Rebound battle won by
Yung mga babalik.
Patikin. Patikin. Ito na Max Loremia. Pinababa ang bola. Nice one. Nice one. Ramos. Barnoy. Barnoy pops up. No, it's Ramos. Ramos. No. RD1. Loremia taking 3. Demolition Man de la Cruz. De la Cruz pops up. Nope. Second row jumper sa rin po tayo. The score is 72-16. Laman pa rin po ng siyam. Ay, sorry. Ito ang Giannis Gomez. Okay, basket mate. 74-66. Laman po ng 8 ulit po ang Giannis Gomez.
Rojas.
Rojas. Barnoy. Pack. Ang kalamangin naman Giannis Gomez. Patikin. Pasensya na po kanina po, naputo po yung ating live broadcast po kanina ha. Kahit po part 2 na po ito ng ating broadcast po.
Substitution.
Please take po po na last minute 57 remaining. 7-4 po score po natin para sa laro ito. Patikin. Against ulit. Patikin dako ng pick. Patikin.
Gula ka na kay Rojas. Tumakbo na.
Big back mga tunggal. No good. Rebound. Tunggo.
First na foul.
Number 30, Dom.
Second
Shooting
team
for
foul.
2.
First shot.
It's out. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers ready. Pero Mr. Dom. Pops up. It's out. Good ball. Okay, says Green. Bakit. Patikin, first shot. Out. Patikin, second throw. Patikin, second free throw. Basket game. Last toss. Dugdong. Dugdong. Second take. Dugdong. Rojas. Dugdong. Ratawa. Block play. Malakas. Meron na ko. 5 minutes 50 remaining. Oy! Nice. 40 minutes by Batiin also. Eto na. RD1. Batiin again. Naging ulit. Ulit. Patigin. Patigin. Pops up. Bang! Sumamay din pa. Sabi niya. Team tip-toe kicks. Rojas, pinababang bola. Rojas, driving strong. Rojas, favorite shot, no good. Rebound! Foul! Big Mac. Ayun na. Big Mac. Well, look, it's Rojas. Captain Reinhardt. Rojas, pushing Leon against Fajardo. Naka-pick! Nice pick! Malakas! Dugdong! Sayang! Ang ganda niyo sana! Ayun! Uy! Shoutout po from King Atienza. Shoutout Boss Fritz Bontes. UBSL. Morena. Good shot. No good. Big Mac. Big Mac. Grabbing strong. Pagpal. Mac number 23 shooting for 2. First shot. No good. Second shot. Big Mac. Big Mac. Second throw. Jumper's ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound of goal. Rojas. Puso Leon. Puso Leon. Favorite shot. Wala pa rin. Kaya naman ang gusto. Green ball. Rebound of goal. Nakasan niya. Okay. Sino to? Fajardo. Kalmal. Grabe revelation. Dumikit. Black Park Master. Black Master. Sampar sa kalapar. No. Rebound battle won by. Lorena shooting for 2. Pops up. Second shot, Lorena. Jumpers ready po tayo. Mac Lorena, second throw. Pasok. It's patok.
68-80.
16-18. 12-point lead again. And posted by
12 points lead. 80-68. 3 minutes and 30.
Ulit.
Kaya pa ba yan?
Ulit for 3.
Oy, kaya pa yata. Ay, sayang. Wala talaga. Sarado.
Big Mac, sabi already. Again. Kalisin. Possible again. Patigin for 3. Look. Rebound. Batiin, second throw, first shot. Yes, sir. Shoutout din po sa Qatar Filipino Basketball from Team Media de Mano. Shoutout po sa inyo po, sir. Binabati ko po ang mga medical tawag po ng Qatar Filipino Basketball o QFB from Team Media de Mano. Lost the ball. Big Mac, first shot. It's in. Big Mac, second throw. Yes, King Atienzo, call shout out po, King Atienza from QFP, sabi nga. Second shot, makatunggal, wala. Ayun, one time, makatunggal.
71-82.
Score is 82-71.
2 minutes and 30.
Isa pa rin po kalamangan po ng team. Okay, sa inyo friends mga QFP. Manatulig isa pa sunod po. Okay, 2 minutes 19 remaining, 82-71. First shot, Boremia, pasok. Okay, sinasabi friends Montes, UMP soon with a flexing muscle. Ayan. Second shot, pops up.
Second throw, Loretta.
It's in also. Goal passing play.
Second ball, back to
Brian Oy.
2-1.
Mali to Brian again. Brian Oy is Loremia. Brian number 3. Okay. Relax on the rebound. 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. 84-71. A minute and 55 remaining. Umali. Tinaga na makascore dito. Umali. Good. A minute and 38 remaining. Former Palpin, shout out po dyan, sabi ni King Atienza. Pops up, Loremia. Mac Loremia, pops up. No good. 15 remaining. Kalisin. Umali, 2 points. 73, 55 remaining. Okay.
86-73.
I think the looks of it
54
now,
minutes.
Giannis
Sorry,
Gomez looking up
54 seconds.
to pick another win. Okay, patingin nakalusot po. Patingin. Kalisin. Pops up. Go. Kalisin again. Loremia. No good. Umali 2 points. Instead of 26 seconds remaining. Foul. Okay. Pahago, first shot, no good. Second throw, demonstrated tayo. Pahago, second throw, pops up. That's out. Branoy. No. Okay, that's it.
Okay, congratulations sa team Giannis Gourmet.
Picked up already by
86-75 ating final score. Thank you so much for watching, guys.